I love my course because I feel I do more than just the foundations. We go into patient work and research. There's so many doors that could be opened for what I do.
Our psychology students work on live briefs, real tasks set by real employers.
We've had advocates come in and talk about their experiences, so it's not just the academic side, but the holistic side of things.
The facilities here at ARU are really amazing. I have really great opportunities to participate in EEG labs, biomarker labs, and facial perception labs.
At the beginning of my second year, I started working at the labs. I also got to complete a research summer placement.
So you get supported and taught through all the skills that you'll need from the ground up so that you have everything that you'll need for your final year.
The support from both the tutors and the ARU team have been wonderful.
Personalised support is at the heart of our teaching, so you're never just another student in a lecture hall.
I feel so welcome and so safe here.
Definitely go for it. Use all the opportunities you have because you are the designer of your own student experience.